Hello everybody, my name is Yuriy, I'm CTO at company AcuPower, and today I want to show you how you can add connection to Acumatica. So for this purpose you need to, like you can see here, we have a couple of connections, and I click on new connection. Here I'm looking for Acumatica. You can use search, but anyway, I click on create, and here it asks for a couple of details: domain URL, username, password, client ID and secret. How you can find them, or where they are configured. So in order to find them, as you can see, I have this Acumatica instance. I will sign in, and in order to create connection I need to go to connected applications page. And here I will give it a name, Power Automate 2, for example. And let's say I give this sliding expiration. Couple of words like absolute expiration is basically 30 days it will be expired. Sliding expiration, it means every 90 days it will be expired. And here I click on add shared secret, and I will give it a name, Power Automate 2, and this value is very important. I copy this guy and I put it here. Then I click here, I click on save. This is client ID. I'm pasting that, username and password, let's say this one, and of course domain will be this one. And here, boom, adding connection, never. And here we have connection between Power Automate and Acumatica. What kind of stuff we have in these connections? So let's say we click on automated cloud flow, and here I will give it name Excel. And what kind of triggers we can use? Specifically want to show you OneDrive, when a file is modified. So I click here, and here we have when file is modified. This is not something that is very important for me. I want to show you what kind of features you have in Acumatica Connector. So let's say about Acumatica, what you can update in Acumatica. In Acumatica you can update or create existing case, create or update existing customers. You can create or update existing opportunity. You can delete a case by using case ID. You can delete customer. You can delete opportunity. You can retrieve case. You can retrieve customer, opportunity. You can get list of cases, list of customers, list of opportunities. As in my opinion, this is pretty disappointing. Certain functionality I expected more. So in my next video I'm going to show you how you can do much more. But for now, again, this is list what you can do in Acumatica Connector with Power Automate. I hope this was helpful. If you have additional questions, leave them in comments section. Also, if you want to have additional request connected to Acumatica or Power Automate with Acumatica, leave us a request on our website, and our certified Acumatica experts will be happy to help you.